Bed Bath & Beyond, probably our most popular program besides Home Depot. Bed Bath & Beyond program, we saw a lot of these loads. These loads right here are great for marketplace. They're great for online sellers. They're great for your flea markets and your retail location. Bed Bath & Beyond is high in shelf pulls. There will be returns mixed in Bed Bath & Beyond, but it's known for a very clean, high shelf pull program. A lot of value on Bed Bath & Beyond. I've had customers that have pulled $1,000 comforter sets. Bed Bath & Beyond is a higher end store. A lot of good product. If we look in some of the boxes, I got a box open right here, you'll see high end shelf pulls. Pretty much everything in the box is brand new, from sheet doors to curtains to linens, all that stuff. There is a lot of soft goods on this program, and what I mean by soft goods is sheet sets, comforters, that kind of stuff, but you're also going to find name brand appliances. I mean, if you look over here, there's a Ninja Foodie 2-basket air fryer right there. And the good thing about this program is you'll get pallets in sometimes, and they'll have inventory sheets. This is an unmanifested program as well, but if you look, there'll be sheets on some boxes, and it'll actually give you a manifest. Like I said, they're unmanifested loads when we buy them, but there is pallets that'll have sheets, and that sheet will pertain to that box. So if you look at this sheet right here, it's showing $377.79. That's a liquidation value, not a retail value. The retail value is usually 20% higher, 25% higher. But just in this box alone, there's 41 pieces with a liquidation value of $377. That's one box. So you'll see pallets. It's not uncommon for me to see pallets that have $8,000 to $10,000 to $12,000 of liquidation value on these boxes. I've seen customers pull case packs of Ring doorbells out of these. Google Nest. I had a customer a few weeks ago, $1,500 espresso machine. Added it brand new. So Bed Bath & Beyond is a very good program. It fits a lot of different resellers. Like I said, marketplace, retail locations, online sellers. I got customers that buy full loads of this stuff for the retail locations. Great program, probably one of the most popular programs. I get it in a lot, and when it comes in, it usually goes out very fast. These pallets, we usually sell these in the $650, $700 range. Most pallets are 5 foot tall. Some of them are 6, 7 foot tall. Some of them are 4 foot tall. But I'd say the average pallet height on these are 5 to 6 foot.